2024 and 2028, but obviously he's got to make that decision.
County in Middle Tennessee, southeastern Maury County in Middle Tennessee, northeastern Giles County in Middle Tennessee, Bedford County in Middle Tennessee, until 9:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:40 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Lewisburg, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Shelbyville, Lewisburg, Cornersville, Wartrace, Bell Buckle, Normandy, Belfast, Keenan, Farmington, Unionville, and Fosterville. This includes Interstate 65 between mile markers 27 and 38. The tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time for Middle Tennessee. The tornado watch also remains in effect until 1 p.m. Central Daylight Time for Middle Tennessee. For your protection.